FutureGO Pro, a stainless steel smartwatch from HiFuture brand. At an affordable price. Yes guys, that's right, an affordable price. But is it any good? Let's find out. Thiago here. Welcome back, or welcome. And if that's the last one, please let me tell you, we do tech reviews and unboxings of cool tech, like this one today. If that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing, give a thumbs up in this video, and share it all around with your friends. With this said, let's start the review of the FutureGO Pro smartwatch. Let's start with the price. The FutureGO Pro has a price tag of $78.99. And if you use a coupon in the video description, will go down to $69.99. Like always, I will leave links in the video description. Please check them up for best price and product information. On the box, you have a user manual and a warranty card, a USB-A charger with 2 magnetic pins and a watch. The watch feels good, looks good. The feeling is that you have a premium watch on your hands. The watch comes in 2 colors, the black and the silver. But in my opinion, the silver is the one to go. I love it. So, you have a complete stainless steel build. On the right side, you have 2 buttons. The top one have a nice red line and is the on and off button that works as the back button as well. The bottom button is the workout button. On the front, you have a 1.32 inches full resolution display. The watch case is 46 millimeters. At the back, you have the sensors at the center and the charging dots at the top. The bag is made full of glass. The strap is stainless steel and is 22 millimeters and can be changed if you wish. The watch alone weighs 65 grams. Let's see some of the specs now. The CPU is the Realtek 8762DT. It has Bluetooth 5.0. The screen size is 1.32 inches Full HD. It has HR sensor, gravity sensor, SpO2 sensor, and sleep monitoring. The watch material is stainless steel. You can use the watch up to 20 days without charging it. It has 24 workout modes. It has an app and is 3 ATM waterproof. So, if you like to swim, you can take the FutureGO Pro with you because it's water resistant to a depth of 30 meters. And this is how it looks on my wrist. It looks stunning. Let's see the display more in detail next. It is a 1.32 inches Full HD display with a resolution of 360 by 360 and is a true color display. The colors are poppy and bright enough. The FutureGO Pro comes with a magnetic charger that fits on the back. It is a standard USB charger. It has a 430 mAh battery that will give you up to 20 days of use. Let's have a closer look to the OS next. Connecting the watch with my iPhone 14 Pro Max was easy and straightforward. Swapping up gives you the notifications, swapping down from the top gives you the quick toggles, like your brightness, settings, and so on. Swapping towards the left will bring the tiles, like the workout information, HR, and so on. Swapping towards the right will give you the apps, while you have the standard apps. Let's see the companion app next. The FutureGO Pro uses an app called GloryFit. This app is used by other brands as well. It's basic, but has all the information that you need for workouts and all the other data. And of course, you have loads of watch faces to choose from in the app. From my testing, All the sensors work well and are accurate, and only measure if the watch is in your wrist. So, my final thoughts about this watch. Well, this is by far the best budget smartwatch in my opinion. The build quality is amazing and feels so premium. Being stainless steel together with this amazing price makes it the best Christmas present of 2022. Keep that in mind. If I had to mention a negative point, would be that the software, the OS, is a bit outdated, but that's it. I love this watch. And that's it guys, this was our review on the FutureGO Pro smartwatch. If you found any value in this review, please consider subscribing, give a thumbs up in this video and share it all around with your friends. With this said, Thiago here, wishing you guys a lovely day with your friends and family, and I'll catch you in the next one.